Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the black screen glitch on OBS Studio for display capture. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this. So what you're going to want to do is, if you have multiple graphics cards, you're going to want to go to the graphics card control panel for that. Hold on, let me just focus on here. So you're going to, I'm using nvidia because I have two graphics cards, the nvidia one and then the Intel graphics card. So you're going to open up your nvidia control panel. If you have like an AMD or something, just try, if AMD has this, then just go to the same like manager thing that they have anyway though, or control panel. You're going to want to click on add, and you're going to want to go through here and find OBS Studio and add selected program. I've already added it, so I'm not going to add it twice, that'd be weird. So you're going to go ahead, it's probably going to be on use global settings, which should be your high performance NVIDIA processor. So just go ahead and switch OBS to the integrated graphics. Go down here and click on apply. Wait for the changes to set in, hit X this out. You're gonna open up OBS, and you're still having the black glitch, screen glitch. Now, for me, when I first did this, it instantly appeared here and was working. But then when I tried, I set it back everything to show you guys it for a tutorial, and it still was doing the black screen. So what I found out is what you have to do is, let's go close OBS, is go ahead and just restart the computer real fast. I think it just needs to like go through, and just restarting seems to just help with a lot of stuff. Like, yeah. Anyway, it's restarting now. Okay, my laptop just froze there for a second. That was kind of weird. But anyway, let's go ahead and let it restart. Alright, it's booting back up. Cause yeah, guys, like for some reason OBS, like it doesn't work on the nvidia one, but for some reason on the Intel processor it seems to work. So yeah, if you're having this glitch, hopefully this will fix it for you. I'm gonna go ahead and put my password in. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and open up OBS. On yes. Yeah, Discord and all that stuff's trying to open because it just turned my computer like restarting. And there you go. Black. Oh, come on, go away, Discord. The black screen is all gone. You got all this stuff working. So hopefully this one is still black because this is the game capture. I don't have a game selected. But anyway, hope this video helped you rather. And if it did, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.